Okay, what we have here is a Carruthers AE5000 two-dimensional slicer. It's been completely rebuilt, top to bottom, taken all the way apart, every nut and bolt, everything put back together, hot tank, clean. I'll open all the guards and show everybody, but we'll start with the control panel back here. It's control panel's all gone through. It's serial number 50034. Okay, it is a, I believe, low voltage machine, 240, if I'm not mistaken. Three phase, obviously. Okay, it's got new belt drive motors and gearboxes. It's got the stainless steel upgrade on the spiral knife, which is a good upgrade, and the adapter plate to the machine has spaces where you can clean out, so it's a lot cleaner setup. The old system back in the day was a cast iron gearbox, which had a lot of issues, so that eliminates that. Stainless steel spiral drive. It has the spiral knife drive. It has the 5 horsepower gang knife motor and gearbox, okay, which is an upgrade. So you can basically throw anything you like at it, and it doesn't have any underpower problems. Right now it's set up with 2 spiral knives, 100,000 stick. We're cutting, beef, difficult to cut, but we can set it up for 62,000 blades, for chicken cutting applications without any issues. That's no problem. The machine currently has a blank gang knife cartridge in it, but depending on your application, we would set this up with round 14-inch round spiral, or excuse me, round blades, with the build to make it cut whatever cut dimension you're after. So that's that. But right now, for demonstration purposes, we just threw this blank gang knife cartridge in it. Okay, it's got a upper conveyor and a lower conveyor. They work together to push the product through the blades. This upper conveyor, you can lower it down to the product to make contact with the product, so it positively pushes product through the blades. The speed on the belts are adjustable. Okay, so what I've done is I bypassed the main guard for demonstration purposes. You can see the 2 guards in the back are open, and it indicates on the screen which guards are open, which makes it easy for troubleshooting. That shooting went away. Now you shouldn't have any guard errors, okay? So you machine ready, you just hit the start button, and what it does, it goes through and checks all the sensors, makes sure everything is as it's supposed to be for the sensors. You got your auto, manual mode, motors. In other videos, I go into great detail on that. I won't in this video. We can refer to those videos if you have questions. But this is start in auto mode. It's set for 3 knives. Let's set it to 2 knives. 0.063 cut. So let's go 1.5. Take it. Enter. Nope, didn't take it. 1.5. Enter. No, didn't take it. It's okay. Let me go back and do it this way. There's 2 ways of doing it. So you can do it the slow way. You can just inch up on it. .8. So let's say we'll set it for a 1-inch cut. So there we go. We got a 1-inch cut set in there, and you can save that and shut the machine down and start it back up again tomorrow or whenever, and it'll go back to that setting if you save it. Okay, let's do that just because I like to run it there. Gang knife is set at pretty slow, so let's set this up higher. And we'll save that because I like that. Keep the belt speed low just for demonstration purposes, and then we'll go ahead and start it and do a walk around. You can show the knives operating. So here we go. Go ahead and walk around. So that's basically it. It's a great little machine for somebody. Give us a call. Thanks for watching.